Hey, Bin Laden, how you doing, man? Long time no see you. Where you been at?
I'm doing good, everything good. I'm chilling, ruling the country around the world.
Oh, whoa, hold on. What country are you talking about? I thought Barack Obama is over there right now. What's going on?
Somalia is pimping with Al Shabaab and Al Qurun, so we chilling.
I don't even know who Al Shabaab is. Lately, I haven't been in the office. Some nigga black man called Barack Obama took over. So I'm just stressed out here and you just drinking.
Yes, because your white ass trash is not in the White House no more, and Somali.
Oh, you're talking shit. Oh, my wife is here. Hold on. Hey, baby Osama, how
Damn
are
it.
you?
He is always stressing you out. Come here, baby. Let me give you a massage. And this time, I'll give you a very happy ending.